Welcome to Casagrand Firstcity, a community that makes you go wow with its majestic look and contemporary Roman architecture. With 1,693 finest 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments spread across 15 acres. Let me quickly tell you top 6 reasons why you need to invest in Casagrand Firstcity. Location. Casagrand Firstcity is located just 5 minutes from Sholinganallur junction. It is a perfect choice for anyone who is looking to buy a home in Sholinganallur, Perungudi, Perumbakam, Karapakam, Thoraipakam or Medavakkam. Its close proximity to reputed schools, colleges, hospitals, leading industrial and transport hubs such as Casagrand International School, NPS International School, Global Health City, Global Hospital, IT corridors, Elcott SEZ and proposed metro makes it a preferred location for any home buyer. Price. Nearby locations like Perungudi, Thoraipakam, Karapakam, Medavakkam are priced anywhere between 6,500 to 9,000 per square feet. If you want to buy an apartment in Sholinganallur, it will cost you a minimum of rupees 6,500 as basic price. Whereas at Casagrand Firstcity, we are offering you a never heard price of just rupees 4,699 per square feet. Theme and amenities. Casagrand Firstcity is the only apartment community in the market with beautifully crafted Roman architecture and offers 100 plus amenities, which is the highest in the market, like dolphin jets, camping site, squash court, interactive gym and many such interesting amenities. We have the most beautiful Club Santa Rosa of 1.5 acres with unique amenities like gaming arcade, 9,000 square feet amphitheatre and half-sized Olympic pool and silent disco and many more interesting amenities. Casagrand Firstcity offers the most premium specification and features like live streaming at the kids play zone, digital door lock, mobile charging dock, piped gas station and other high-end sanitary fittings. Product planning. Casagrand Firstcity offers the best master unit plans with a major focus on 5 design elements like light, ventilation, beautiful views and Vastu. 75% open space, 5-acre landscaped areas dotted with Roman style sculptures and fountains and 4 vehicle-free podiums of 1 acre each for maximum light, ventilation and outdoor recreational activities. Efficiently planned apartments for spacious living and dining, well-designed kitchen and bedrooms, and 2 balconies in most of the apartments for better light and ventilation. A beautiful high-rise community with all bedrooms and balconies offering a beautiful city skyline view or podium view. Vastu-compliant homes with no wastage of space. Completion timeline. Casagrand is committed to deliver Casagrand Firstcity in just 24 months. Compared to the market handing over timeline of over 36 months, which increases your pre-EMI burden. Casagrand advantage. For such a superior product, we are able to offer at the lowest price because of 3 reasons. 1. We have our in-house construction team. 2. All our projects are completed at an optimal speed. 3. The volume of construction we do every year enables us cost saving. This in turn is passed on to our customer as a benefit. With 18 years of excellence, 27,000 happy families, 140 plus projects across Chennai, Bengaluru and Coimbatore, we are 100% sure that you wouldn't want to miss this opportunity to be a part of the Casagrand family. So go for it. Book now.